Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today's video is related to a problem: front-end login waiting repair and reset. So front-end login waiting repair and reset problem in the Star Citizen. How you can fix this problem, I will tell you in this video. There are several ways to fix this problem. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel for more and more informative videos. So this is issues arising on my device. First time I log in my account after break of 2 or 3 weeks. A prompt was created to create a new character on login, and then I get the reset error, and I was able to get after waiting a few hours, and then I got this error. I restarted the game, and it prompted me to create a new character again. So how I fix this problem, I will tell you. So then this game can be great, but getting this onboard issue again and again. So first method you can do that, you can reset your launcher. You can just press the you need to open the launcher and press shift control alternative and R. This will help you to reset your launcher and your problem will be solved. And this will work for many users. And if this does not work, then there are another method that will work for you. I will tell you. So make sure you update your drivers on your device and update this game also. So this will also work for me. So you can try this method. This problem arises due to if you are logging after so long time break, then this problem arises. Hope you got valuable information and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.